to mount the MALOSSI piston rings. That's a new MALOSSI Sport piston, and that's a ring, and the rings are TRAPEZOID. So we have a bigger side and a smaller side, and this is how it belongs into the piston. Like this. So the bigger side is outside, the smaller side is inside, not the other way round. And how can you find which side up you hold this shape, this trapezoid shape? You just measure it. And how can you find out which side around you're holding it? Take a sliding caliper, squeeze it, and then you see on which side is the flat, where you have the flat one and where you have the angled one. So this is up, then you just take the piston, put it on, and make sure that the piston rings go in fully. They're not allowed to stand out. They're not allowed to clamp in there. They have to move freely. Then you have it the right side up. Can show you the other side, the wrong side. Yeah, what you see here is it goes in but not fully. There's a small edge standing out and you cannot push it in. I had engines where they were mounted the wrong side around, and these engines were running not good. But so you would need force to put the ring fully in. This means that's the wrong side. Just turn it around. Make sure that you mount it in this direction, ensure that they are freely moving, that you can push them fully in. You see, nothing's clamping, and then you're good. Cheers guys, see ya. Vespa. Can't really see. Quasi, du hast.
Oh! Oh wow! But this is cool.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest?